If you hate twisting old school grinders or dealing with messy salt and pepper shakers, today we're reviewing a popular kitchen gadget that promises to make seasoning effortless. This is an automatic salt and pepper grinder set. They're battery powered, made out of stainless steel with smart gravity sensors for true one handed operation. It even comes with a cleaning brush and a wooden stand. So let's find out if these are actually worth adding to your kitchen. Opening the box, you get two identical grinders, one for salt, one for pepper. They have a sleek brushed stainless steel finish that looks modern and premium on the counter. Each grinder is powered by six AAA batteries and they are included. And it's got an adjustable coarseness dial on the top, so you can dial it left or right for coarser or finer, whichever you prefer. They feel solid in the hand, not cheap plastic. They've got a good weight to them, and the one touch operation feels very intuitive. They've also got a brush, a little cleaning brush that comes with it, and that's rather handy as well. One handed operation works really well. The motor is quiet enough and has decent power, and the grind is consistent. The LED light is surprisingly useful for seeing exactly where the seasoning lands, and both salt and pepper flow nicely without clogging in normal use. The gravity sensor is responsive and with minimal delay and no accidental grinding when you're just holding it. Overall, these automatic salt and pepper grinders deliver exactly what they promise. Convenient, one-handed seasoning. They also offer excellent performance and convenience. They're great for busy parents, elderly people that have got a hand problem, and of course anyone who wants to upgrade from manual grinders without spending a fortune.